Okay, today we're looking at imperfect squares. So we have root 20, we're trying to find out what the answer to that is. So a number times a number is going to equal 20, and these two numbers have to be the same. And nothing really works out nicely for that. So we have to go through a couple of steps to find and estimate what number is really close to the square root of 20. To do this, we take the square root of 20 and we find the square root that is bigger than 20, that we know the answer to, that's nice and easy. So 25 is nice and easy, and we know the answer to root 25 is 5. And below 20, we know that it's 16, and the square root of 16 is 4. Then if we're estimating to the nearest whole number, we just need to choose, is it closer to 4 or closer to 5? So is the root 20 closer to 16? It's 4 away from 16. Or is it closer to 25? It's 5 away from 25. Root 20 is closer to root 16. And so root 20 is close. So my estimation is that the answer is going to be 4. So root 20, my estimation that it's close to the whole number 4. If we needed to get to the nearest tenth, then we have a few more steps to do. We still do root 20 in the middle. We find our root that's higher and lower. And this is a 4, and that's a 5. So root 20 is in between 4 and 5. So it's 4 point something, 4.1, 4.2. We're going to work it out. A nice way to work it out is to have a number line. And here's 4, and here's 5 on our number line, and then we're going to put our tenths. 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each of these is 4.1, 4.2, and so on, and so on. 0.8, 0.9. I should have done it bigger. Oh well. So here's our 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, and so on. We have to guess one of these. We have to get close. And rather than multiplying all of these out, because the answer to this is going to be a number times a number equals 20. So rather than trying 4.1 and 4.2 and 4.3 and all of them, we're going to try and get close. So the number 20, it falls about halfway in between the 16 and the 20. So I'm going to try halfway in between the 4 and the 5 first. So I'm going to try here. I'm going to try 4.5 as my first guess. I have to do some math. 4.5 times 4.5. 5 to 25. 22. Bring down the 0. 4 5s. 4 4 16, 18. 5, 2, 2. 2 decimal points, 2 decimals. Okay, so we get 20.25. 20.25. So the square root of 20.25 is 4.5. We are really close to 20. We are a little bit more than 20, so we really should try the one less. Turn back on my light. Okay. So we're going to try the 4.4. 4.4. So over here we have 4.4 times 4.4. Let's go again. 4 4s are 16, 16, 17. 4 4s are 16. 7, 8, 9, 1. 19.36. Okay, so let's see. Root 20 is what we want to get. 4.4 is 19.6. 4.5 is 20.25. So what's 20 closer to? Well, it's 0.25 away from this. 0.64 away. So it's closer to my 4.4. So my answer is going to be, let's write it down here, root 20 is close to 4.5. And that's going to be your answer. My estimation to the nearest tenth is 4.5.